Hi Mama, welcome to today's video. Today I'm 19 weeks pregnant, the belly's growing, and since you're watching this video, I assume you're also 19 weeks pregnant. Congratulations, we are almost halfway there. Yay! So in this video, we'll talk about what is happening to baby and what is happening to us mamas, and some tips about what you should be thinking about to make sure that you stay healthy and fit and provide the best environment for your growing little one. So let's talk about our babies first. The babies are around 15 centimeters large and weigh around 240 grams. And if we compare it to a fruit, the baby is the size of a mango. This mango actually weighs 650 grams, so our babies weigh a lot less, but size-wise, this is the size of the baby that's sitting in here right now. So what is going on with that little mango? All 5 senses are developing. So the eyes, and then the smell, the taste, the touch, and the hearing. So the ears are in their final position since some time now, and the inner ear is developing, and that means that baby can also hear your voice as well as everything that's going on inside your body. So your heart beating and the blood rushing through the veins and all the lovely sounds we have in our digestive system. But they can also start hearing external sounds. So this is super exciting. So if your partner wants to talk to baby as well, they can, and they will hear this. There is a white waxy coating starting to cover baby's body, and this is to protect it from the amniotic fluid. Our little mangoes are kicking, moving, twisting, turning. Their limbs are quite functional. Their joints are ready. So there's a lot of movement going on, and you might be feeling it. I now feel it daily, multiple times in the day, which I think is super, super exciting. You kind of get like a little signal from the inside. I am here. Hello. Thank you for doing everything that you're doing. So every time I get a little flutter, it's called, or some little movement, I'm really excited about it, actually. When it comes to the reproductive organs of the babies, they're also forming and developing. The girls have uteruses and vaginas forming, and believe it or not, but they already have 6 million eggs in their ovaries. That's a crazy amount of tiny little eggs in this little mango baby. When it comes to boys, the genitals are more visible as well. And if you're going for an ultrasound, the mid-pregnancy ultrasound, which can take place between 18 to 20 weeks usually, mine is scheduled in week 20. So I'll give you an update about that in the next video. But that's a very big and important ultrasound, because the doctor will be looking at all the organs in more detail. So if you want to prepare for this meeting or this doctor's visit, I have created a checklist of questions that you might want to ask and make sure that they answer, so that you feel comfortable and you feel informed about your baby mango. It's in the description box below, so have a look and download your checklist. Let's talk about us mamas now. So we've been gaining weight, and the bumps are growing, and that's completely normal. So if you've gained around 3.5 to 7-ish kilograms, that's completely fine. That's completely normal. It's the uterus, it's the placenta, the amniotic fluid, the baby itself, of course, as well as all of the extra blood that's running through our veins, helping sustain baby's life. So that's completely normal. Your skin, how's your skin? it might be stretching, or rather it is for sure stretching. Because of the growing bump again, you might be seeing stretch marks because it's already stretched quite a bit. You can try to help your skin with hydration, so drink a lot of fluids, and also moisturization. So apply those creams to your belly, to your hips, to your growing breasts as well. There are some special creams out there, but from what I understand, a lot of it is genetical. So if your mum didn't have stretch marks, there's a high probability that you won't have stretch marks. If they did, there's a high probability that you will. Nevertheless, moisturization definitely helps. I think my skin is a lot drier than before pregnancy. So I definitely need to put some extra cream on it. What else is happening with our skin? You might be seeing a dark line down your belly. I don't see it yet. I remember I did have it in the previous pregnancy, so I'm just waiting for it to appear here at some point in time, but I don't have it yet. However, some mamas might already have it. You also might continuously keep feeling this round ligament pain. So because of the growing baby, the ligament has to also stretch. So you'll be, you might be experiencing some pain there. And your appetite might be bigger. So hopefully you have a lot more energy than you had in the first trimester. Your appetite is hopefully bigger as well, so you can get the right nutrients and deliver them to your baby. So what is important when it comes to nutrients? Iron-rich foods, protein, calcium, and we probably can't get everything every day all the time in our food that we eat. So supplementing with extra vitamins and minerals is also super, super, super important. Last tip, stay active. So you might know this is a pregnancy challenge where I make a video a day focusing on different body parts and doing different workouts. So there are sometimes arms and the back workouts, sometimes more legs focused, sometimes there's Pilates, there's also cardio workouts, mobility workouts. So do check out what is happening on this channel and join the challenge, join the pregnancy challenge. I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow in our workout video. Thank you for watching today. Good luck with your little mango baby. Have a great day. Bye.